So if you find yourself that you're the person that has been chosen, you have to be thankful for that. And man, try not to lose it, because it's very, very easy to lose it. Lose it, but that's when you lose yourself. Artist. My real name is Temunswaza. I was born in Kampala, and I'm so happy to see all of you guys here. It's been a pleasure. I'm so happy and humbled to be part of the Mosh Entertainment, and I'm really going to serve you guys, and I won't disappoint you. That's what we want to hear.
Please talk to us, tell us who you are and why you have been able to join this team.
Good evening, everyone. I'm very happy that everyone is here. I'm so grateful that I'm among the Mosh Ents International. My name is Nince Herny, aka Josechameleon. I'm an artist. I joined Mosh Ents International. I didn't join, but he signed me for music, to produce music, and I promise I won't disappoint him. And I'm so happy that he chose me.
Hello everybody, my name is Ronnie. A good evening to everyone. You're welcome to this place. My real name is Soga Ronald Nimwana Mamba Evangelism. I'm signed by Mosh Ents, and I'm glad because I have my talent, but in Uganda, you cannot push talent alone. You need assistance to gain out of it. Yeah, thanks for coming. I appreciate it.
There you go. Alright. Now
Mosh for nearly 20 years. Me and Mosh go a long way in entertainment. I don't think there's ever been an event I've had in the UK without Mosh being part of it. So with that, supporting him doesn't come, it has to be there. You have to support your brother, and that's why I'm here. And to Mosh, we've talked about this. I remember we had discussions with him on how we can, try and transform and come up with something, new and fresh for the entertainment industry. I'm very glad you've gone ahead and, developed something unique. I'm proud of you, and I wish you all the best. In regards to what I'm doing and what you asked me to say about, I do events. I have a company called Gernade Solutions in London, registered at the UK and Scotland. So we do events. At the moment, I'm running the battle of Cindy and Shiba. I have a few events running in the country here as well. I'll be doing Bali, Ginger, we negotiation to get on board. After Mbarara, if that goes well, then we'll be heading to London at Royal Regency on the 4th of November. And then we'll head to Dubai on the 10th of November. That will be our last event. Thank you very much.
Good evening. My name is Mosh Ents. I know people don't know me actually, but they've heard the name Mosh. I've been in entertainment for a long time. I do shows with Jeff as well. I've done shows with Chameleon, radio. All the artists you know here, maybe they know here yet, but they will be coming. But all artists in Uganda, I would say, everyone who's performed in London, I should have a hand in it. Either in going or something, visa, everything, I do everything. So I've been doing this for a long time. Because I work with all artists, so to me, I thought there's some fresh talent we need. There's a lot of talent here. I would say there's lots of talent. But then I'm trying to empower. What I'm doing, I want to empower the talent dreams. I would say people's dreams. Not only to them, but anyone who is there, if I can manage, I'll empower them. Not financially, but in means, not only financially. I can promote them, I can tell them to have shows or connect them to promoters like Jeff or anyone. So that's what I've been doing. So today I'm starting a label and I want to help or empower the young talents in Uganda. It's a risk, but we have to do it.
Can you try?
Winner. So, Bampita Mosh Ents, and mbadde nkolanga events for a long time. Ntegeka ebivulu, promoting music. Abayimbi bangi nnyo benkoze nabo, nkoze ne Josechameleon for years and years. Ne kakati nkyakola naye, Radiant Weasel, Nince Herny wali wano. Ye tukolagana mu bintu bingi nnyo. Winnie, soba kubamalayo bonna, abayimbi bonna, Shiba. So, naye nga ebiseera ebisinga mbadde ngezaako nnyo okulaba abaana bato abalina talent. Aye n'ekirala njagala nnyo reason eriwo abaana bangi balina ebirooto, twagezaako okulaba nga talent zaabwe zikulosinga. Zive wano, zikulosingeko, batuukeko oba kati bagezeeko kuyimba ng'aba Nigeria bakikola. So, that's why nfunye abaana bemanyi n'endabya balinamu talent, ate nabo abalina talent era tugezaako okubakwatako. Tugezeeko bayimbe wano locally, ate bagezeeko ne international. So basically kyekyo ekiriwo, twagala local and international breakthrough.
As you know me, ndi musanyufu nnyo okubeera nti bannamawulire muzze mutegateko luno olunaku. So, first of all, I'll introduce myself because I have 4 points. I have me, Mosh, you, and the artists. So, I have been always at the point of orientation with music hopefuls, most of them in Uganda, and I'm sure that you're all aware of that. I have been at the starting desk for so many breakthroughs, and I've done that for 13 years. It's not simply the definition that people give me as a songwriter. I basically don't write songs. I make music and I create strategy for breakthroughs, and I have done that for 13 years, and there are examples that evidence that, and you're all aware of that. So that's primarily the reason why I'm here. The second reason why I'm here is Mosh, which is my second point. I've known Mosh. Mosh ye yasooka okuntwala London in 2013. Is the man who took me, who gave me my first show in London. That's 2013. So from there, tubadde nga tukolagana okuva ku olwo n'abayimbi abalala, is a big and very, very serious promoter in the UK. He doesn't only work with Ugandan artists, but he works with all artists across Africa. So gwobeera onowulira nti Banabo yali London, oyinza obutakimanya. Oba Wizkid yali London, oyinza okuba tokimanyi. Naye Mosh n'oyo omusajja gw'olabye awo oyo Jeff beba bibeeramu. So he's really big in the events industry, and so when he comes here and decides to support a talent and see how he can, nourish it and make it grow, it's to our advantage as Uganda. So I am happy that he decides to come here and to choose to invest his money in the talent that is really blossoming, but like with a lot of challenges in Uganda. Yeah, so that's Mosh Entertainment for you. It used to be Mosh Events, but now it's Mosh Entertainment International. So the other point is going to be the artists. So basically, as an orientation person, normally that people encounter at the beginning of their careers in my industry, I always have advice for music hopefuls. Then you are right now. Like this happens with human nature. We are wired to explode, and once once you develop, your mindset changes, and then your aspirations change, and then the perspective, how you see other people also change, and then how you see your manager 5 years from now may not be the way you see him today. But you can try and stay the way you are. Man, it takes not just urge for making money, but it takes interest and of course energy and money to decide to come into this industry, and for someone to choose you, and for you to find yourself here on this table. I will say on the average I receive 4 phone calls from people who are hoping to become artists in Uganda every week. So there are millions of people who are really aspiring to our industry, to be part of our industry. It's like music, like everyone wants to be an artist. Not literally, but there's really a lot of people who want to become that artist. You get? So if you find yourself that you're the person that has been chosen, you have to be thankful for that. And man, try not to lose it. Because it's very, very easy to lose it. But that's when you lose yourself. Lose yourself and start looking at yourself as a completely different person, then you lose it. You lose everything. So to the artists, let's make music. Let respect be at the forefront of your definition. Be a very respectful person, man. Now that's for you, the artists. Let's make music. Tukube ndongo naye nga abantu betugikubira nga tukimanyi nti no batwagala. Okitegeera. Kuba abasajja abanene abali waneena bavaayo ne bagaba bakuteekemu ssente. Tekitegeeza nti baba bakweguya. Mwana abaana bali awo bangi nnyo. I was for Kela, for your information, I took on the role of recruiting, finding people who are talented. And Mosh gave me 3 weeks to find a female artist that we would put on board. I asked for more time because they came so many, and it's not, it's very difficult to just pick on one and say, okay, this one. So banji. So kakati gwe wovudde woli wavuddewo abantu abalala 100. So you are the lucky person. So don't take that for granted. So now to the bakwano baffe bano bannamawulire. Bane muli bakwano baffe. Mutubeererawo nnyo. You're always our friends, especially at the beginning. Please. Musigale ngera muli bakwano baffe. Mpaka. Okitegeera. Because here is the thing. Bannamawulire be bantu betwetaaga okwetuusa eri abantu abalala. Niera bannamawulire be bantu era abatufuukira akayinja mu ngatto. Mukitegeera. Nti tubaagala waneene emisana nga mulinga bakwano baffe. Naye we mutuula ku kompyuta zammwe okukola ebintu byammwe ate tufuuka ba enemy bammwe oluusi. Bannaye nga bwe mujja waneeno ku beginning ne mutuwa amaanyi gano, musigale ng'era muli positive nga bwe muli. Kubanga enja ojja kwewuunya ate ng'ogenze ku Twitter y'omusajja oli ng'ate osanzeeko article ndala nnyo ng'eportrayinga differently. Bannaye musigale nga mulinaffe ebbanga mpaka era naffe tusigale nammwe kuba bannaye tubaagala. Nze bwe mbatunulira mwenna bannamawulire, mpozi oli mukwano gwange oli Michael, naye mwenna abalala bonna ndaba nga mwenna nze mbasinga obukulu. So kitegeeza nti we nabeererawo waaliwo abaaliwo, kakati ate ndabawo balala. So kitegeeza nti position zino zitwalibwa abantu all the time. So when it's your time, when you're in that position, please treat people well. Mbasaba musigale nga muli naffe, nga muli balungi gye tuli. Mbagala nnyo bampita Nince Herny.